Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a dehumidifier. So if you've seen humidifiers, they add water into the atmosphere here. This one here is going to take it out. So if you're in a place like me, I'm in Dallas, it gets very humid in here. And so something like this is going to help me get rid of all the extra water in the air. Let me put this down here. Okay. And voila, there it is. Okay. So it comes with the device here, and it's the sticker doesn't have anything on that side. Nope, that's the back. So it's got a drain plug, it looks like over here, and so this is an extra drain tube, so you could run the tube outside somewhere because it's going to accumulate a lot of water. And then the way it works is it's pretty heavy because it kind of works on the same kind of concept like an air conditioner, you know, like the way it has the condensing coils and things. So it's gonna be like that. So it will condense on it. Let me see if I can open this up. Okay. Going to be our tank. So this is where it's going to fill up with water here if we don't have the tube connected up to it. So that's nice. So we don't have to have it connected to drain somewhere. I usually put them on the counter, like if I'm doing it here in the kitchen, I'll put it on the counter and you just have it drain right into there. But if you're doing it in a bedroom or something like that, this will be better. So let's plug this in here. Okay. So you'll see on the top, I don't know if you guys can see it on the top, but on the top it has all the buttons and settings and stuff. I don't think it's probably not gonna work while it's not level, but it has the power button. Let me take you guys off of the stand and bring you over here. Okay, so we have the power button. So we are 49%, 50% relative humidity. We can change our speed, our timer. We can have a light on it. I guess the light, I'm not sure where the light is, but up there. And then we can change our humidity levels in different modes. We have there, depending on what we want here, I guess we can go to turbo mode, and we can have a sleep mode, so it's, I guess it stays quiet, and these are all the different settings here. So, but you get the idea. So this is how it works. It's nice and quiet. In the back here, we can take this off and access certain things back there. And oh, there's that. Beeps a lot. But this is the dehumidifier. Oh, there's the light right there. This is it here. So if you need to get the water out of your house, get something like this. This will be good. It just keeps it runs and just kind of gets rid of all the water in the air. So it's nice to have something like that if you're in a humid place. I had one of these in my garage at my old place, and that thing filled up all the time. It was crazy. But yeah, these things are awesome. Dehumidifier, thumbs up.